All right, so here's how to make your first $1,000 online. All right, no fluff, no gimmicks, just a simple proven strategy that actually works. So stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you exactly how to do this even if you are starting from scratch. So step one, choose a high demand service. So you have to give something to get what you want. So the fastest way to make money online is to offer a service that people already pay for. So you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to serve people. You need to serve them whatever they want. You need to serve their needs. So some of the easiest beginner-friendly options include social media management. You essentially just need a laptop and a connection to the internet. All right. You can do video editing, for example. You could do website design using simple tools or platforms, web design platforms like Wix or Squarespace or WordPress. Additionally, you could write blog posts or product descriptions. And here's a quick pro tip. If you don't have the skills yet, you can learn them fast from YouTube. And there are so many free courses on the internet that you can take today to help you get started in the next few days. Now with step one covered, which is to choose a high demand service, next up is to go to step two, which is to find clients. So you know what you want to do. Now who do you give it to, right? Who are the clients? So now that you've picked your service, now let's get you paid. So here's where you find your first client. So you have different freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, etc. And these are great places to start. Additionally, you can check out Reddit or different Facebook groups. So join communities where people need your service and offer value. Additionally, if you're up to this, you can try cold outreach. So you can DM small businesses or solopreneurs, people with small teams or content creators who need your help, and many people will be happy to hire you. So when it comes to finding clients, essentially find who you're looking for and find a way to get paid. So again, you can work on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. So you can use those third-party platforms, or you can get paid through PayPal, through Stripe, through your bank processing, etc. Next, let's talk about how you actually get to the lucky number 1,000. So here's the math. If you charge 50 per project, you only need 20 clients to hit 1,000. If you charge $250 per project, you only need 4 clients. You can start small or you can actually deliver big, but the main thing is that you need to deliver value, and you can raise your rates as you go. So you could charge 2 $500 projects, and that would take you 2 clients, or you could charge one $1,000 project and you would get it in 1 client. So that part is up to you. So with all of these steps covered, and step 1 is choose a high demand service. Step 2 is find clients fast. Step 3 is scale to 1,000. So now that you know this, it is time to take action. So pick a service, find your first client, and make that first 1,000. And drop a comment if you need help choosing a skill. And don't forget to subscribe for more online money making tips. I'll see you in the next video.